Earlier this year, I picked up a 1977 fiberglass body CJ5. Had a little dinger in front. Previous owner met with a immovable object. Zapped the driver's side fender, bumper, grill, the fan, that kind of stuff, the radiator. Not a big deal, easy fix. Um, I bought this to fix up my 1978 CJ5. Basically, I needed donor parts, and this Jeep had it all. Has the 401 AMC V8 with Edelbrock multi-port injection, had air. It's got the top, good condition, doors, Corbin bucket seats, uh, lots of little goodies just hanging all over it. So I picked it up. It's like, let's get into it. The back frame, where the bumper goes, or at least that panel, needed repair. We repaired it using one of those prefab channels, and it came out pretty well. I had to do both sides. Since this Jeep was a donor vehicle to my 78, the idea was to go ahead and clean this up as best I can and transfer, basically swap the drivetrain from one to the other. And we'll get into all that, what I'm doing there a little later. The body was fiberglass, and the previous owners had thought that rolling bed liner all over this Jeep would be a great idea. It's a bad idea. I can't stand it. Took it off, took it down. You'll see some of the results here. Here's the donee. Here's the donor. And really, it's just a swap, right? Engine, tranny, drivetrain, essentially, axles over to the 78. The 77 fiberglass to the 78. That's where we're going. So just backed the 78 in. It's got a 304, and it doesn't have a whole lot of miles on it after rebuild, but will undergo paint and blah blah blah. So I've said that before. And this guy here, the other parts are in the other garage I'm painting them. Got my stuff ready to go. I guess now it's time for jacking up and putting on jack stands, so off we go.